I've been holding out so long, I've been sleeping all along. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and our Ojibwe word of the day, GIGWIINAWENIMIN. GIGWIINAWENIMIN, I miss you. I've been holding out so long, I've been sleeping all along. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Hey man, what's the matter, man? We come round 12 with some Puerto Rican girls that's just dying to meet you. We're gonna bring a case of wine, we'll go fool around like we used to. Have you seen the Rolling Stones lately? Oh, yikes. They look just terrible. I mean, I know they're all like in their 90s, but even so. GIGWIINAWENIMIN, I miss you. And somebody's got to tell the Rolling Stones, enough's enough. That's it. We don't need to see you no more. I mean, yeah, I love the Stones back in the day. But it was like 50 years ago they were like, well, we're getting kind of old for this. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. I mean, even Mick Jagger. The guy looks like a white raisin. The guy looks like an albino plum. Or prune. Yeah, he don't look like a plum. He looks like a prune. But anyway, who cares? Today's Ojibwe word of the day. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. I miss you. I remember old Benny Tones. I had an Ojibwe teacher, drum teacher, friend, back at the Leech Lake Tribal College, GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Benny Tones. His first language was Ojibwe. And so there were some things that, when he spoke, he kind of, like in English, guys don't generally say, oh, I missed you. I miss you. Unless it's to a woman. But guys in between each other don't usually say, oh, you were gone yesterday. We missed you. But Benny would. If you didn't show up for drum practice one day. He'd be like, oh, you were gone. We missed you. It was really sweet. This is old man. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. So who do you miss? I don't know. I don't want to get morbid. There's a lot of people who've passed on, who've taken the journey. We miss them, of course. And during this weird time of, we're all under house arrest. Kind of miss each other. I miss you. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. And I miss you. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Now, why do you miss somebody? I mean, what is that? Is it because you remember fondly how they made you feel? And you're like, you know what, I want to feel that way again. I miss you. Sometimes I think that way about beer. Oh, I really miss you, beer. You used to make me feel so good for a little while. But then you'd make me feel really bad for much longer. So I don't really miss you. Anybody who's had to give up a bad habit knows the real feeling of missing something. Oh, geez, I really miss cracking open a beer, getting drunk, getting squaby. But I don't actually. La 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 la. So I don't know. What should we talk about today? This is the story of the little bear cub who missed his mother back in the days of the grandfathers. No, there's no story. Think of something funny to say fast, because I'm gonna lose the audience. I miss you. I don't know. It's the kind of thing that, you know, you really feel compelled to tell somebody. It's like a step down from saying I love you. Hey man, I really miss you. You know. People can handle being missed. Sometimes they can't handle being loved. You know, you can't tell somebody you haven't seen in a couple of years, oh, I really love you. Well, then why didn't you ever call? You know, I miss you. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. And I miss you. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Alright, this isn't very funny. I might not keep this. But if I do, I just want to say, miigwech ganawabiyeg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will probably redo this video because this one wasn't very funny. But I will see you again. GIGWIINAWENIMIN. Minowa. Oh, what? I don't know. What are you looking at?
Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Ooh, got you under their thumb. Hit it! Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Ba bada 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 bum bada bum. Bada bum, bada ba ba bum. Ba bada bada bada. Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Her day is sown in madness, got you under their thumb. Ooh, black diamond. Darkness will fall on the city, seems to follow you too. And though you don't ask for pity, there's nothing that you can do. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond. Bum, bada bum. Bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Pictures only begun. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Got you under there. Bada 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 bum. Black diamond, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, what?
Black Diamond by Kiss.
That was great.
And on the guitar, Michael Lyons.